Hi again. Today we're going to make a Nyonya kuih and it's called Pulut Tai Tai or Pulut Tekan in Malay. But when we're young, we just call it kaya kuih because this kuih is actually glutinous rice that we serve with kaya. Kaya is like an egg custard or lemon curd you call that. So it's quite an easy kuih to make and all you need is to steam. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food and I share with you my food journey and some of my cooking, my trials and errors. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you think my video is useful. So let's go and see how to make this very simple kuih called Pulut Tai Tai. For the Pulut Tai Tai, we need 350 grams of glutinous rice. You wash and soak it overnight or for at least 4 hours. 15 to 20 of the blue pea flour. Then we soak it with 2 tablespoons of water. A coconut milk, pandan leaf and some salt. We're going to drain the rice. We're going to steam the rice and I'm going to use a total of 250 ml of canned coconut. 50 ml of water. It calls for thin coconut milk. So I'll put it until about 100 ml. Yes. Okay, this is our thin coconut milk. We'll put the rice in a tray. I don't have a bamboo tray, so I'm using a normal tray. Add in about half of it. Of the thin coconut milk, it's about 50 ml, and then we just let it soak for it to absorb. We leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after about 10 minutes, we add the rest of the light coconut milk or the thin coconut milk, mix it, and then we put it in the steamer. Of course, we mustn't forget the pandan leaf, which will give it its fragrance. So we put it on a steaming tray, and then we put it to steam. We let it steam for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we prepare the blue pea flour. So we go and pound a bit, get all the colors out. And then we strain it and keep the water. Here we are. We add about half the thick coconut milk and we stir it. And then we'll steam it again. Okay, time is up. Let's see. Yeah, it's almost done now. All is absorbed. Don't forget to put a teaspoon of salt into the coconut milk, which I didn't manage to do earlier, but still okay. We got some left. So now we're going to put it all over. Now we're going to add in the blue pea coloring to about 1/4 of the rice. So now it goes to the steamer again. We'll steam for about 10 to 15. I've prepared a 15 cm by 15 cm tin, spraying it with some oil so that it doesn't stick because I don't have banana leaf. It's the steamed rice and we're going to put it in the tin. I'm going to remove this pandan leaf. Then I'm going to spoon the rice into the tin, alternating it with the blue and the white. Please note that my recipe is only half a recipe. Serves about 2 to 3 or 4 people. But this one you can serve a bit more. But if you have a big family and you want to give it to friends, please feel free to double the amount. It's hot. This plastic scraper is very good. It does the work. But we really need to press it to be packed. I'm pressing with my hands and then I think it's easier to press with the hand. You can really press it down. And later on you level it up with the scraper. Make sure all the corners are packed. I've put a layer of greaseproof paper over it and I've put some plastic thing, the scraper, and I'm going to put this on top like this and we'll leave it to cool. So now we're going to cut the Pulut Tai Tai. So here we are, the Pulut Tai Tai or kaya kuih. This topping here is the kaya. I also have another one cut into diamond shape. We're now going to test this. I'm going to add in more kaya. I love kaya. It's very fattening. So here we go. It is very rich. Well, the glutinous rice is gooey. That's the way it should be. And the kaya is as full of coconut flavor and pandan. And the eggy smell is not that strong because of the pandan. So it's a really, really nice dish. By the way, in days gone by, when we have a Nyonya wedding, we'll serve all this kuih during the reception, or when the groom goes to the bride's house to marry the bride, and that's what we have as a snack for the guests. We have a lot of kuih ketaya, all sorts of kuih, and this is one of them. And this one so happened to be my childhood favorite. So until the next time, ciao for now. I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you find my video useful. So until the next time, thank you very much. Bye, bye, bye.